Yes. Hi everybody. This is just DK here. As you all know, I am a man of my words. So yeah, I promise that I will be giving you a very profitable strategy for free simply because I will be off chat for the whole month. I won't be trading. I was actually giving signals to my group, but I cut that off. So I will no more be giving signals, but I will give out uh this free strategy that I was using to give out signals. So let me not waste time. I don't have I don't have to prove myself to anybody. As you all know, I don't owe anybody. So yeah, I just want to show you out the strategy that will be. Let's quickly go to click our F letter here and then go to our Ichimoku. You set it like it is 926.52. Yeah, you click fill, just copy like you're seeing it here. As you all see, I will be first. Click on down so the Ichimoku is displayed on the main chart. So go to the where do we supposed to go? F letter. You go to the last market um facilitation index, then you set it like it is ticks 1 pixel. So you just do it like you're seeing it. MFI up, volume up, it's green. You make this one invisible, this one is red, and then the other one invisible, no level. You click on done, so you have it like you're seeing it here. So the Ichimoku that is on the main chat, you insert it within this window, indicator window 1. So this Ichimoku, it's just the same one that is on the main chat. You don't have to stress yourself here. You got it. So yeah, like that. It's like that. So the only thing that is missing is our levels. So you click here, you click within the same window, you look for the RSI, which is here, and then you insert yeah, you insert our level 85.15. Yeah, 85.15. Is it so? Or 20? Yeah, 85.15. No, our levels are um 80, and you click on 20. You get it on done. No, I'm sorry, people. It's not like that. So we have to adjust our level. It's 15 as we just found it. It's 85 and 15. That's what it is. Yeah. Let me not confuse you. Yeah. Yeah. Everything is like that. Now, with this strategy is very awesome. It works mainly based on boom and crash. It works on boom and crash. So you pinch it to the last, like small like this. So this was volatility. I don't have to be in volatility. Let me go in boom. Yeah, this is how you do it. As you can see, let me go to 1 minute time frame. I'm just gonna show you how it works. So this strategy is awesome. So like here we are going to, as I'm seeing it in 1 minute time frame, this is actually an uptrend, but we are going to receive a little longer pullback here. So it's wonderful for scalping. You see, okay, this is the Ichimoku, this one. Let us back test it a little bit. We are just going to use 1 minute time frame for now. You can also use it for higher time frame, but 1 minute for now. Yeah. So we are in boom 500. So what you're gonna be doing with this strategy, You see, with my Ichimoku, once it touches level 85, it reverses. But in most cases, when you are in a live chat, you will find out when it touches this level. In most cases, all this, okay, let me say, this body of the Ichimoku was already at this level 85. It's not only this whatever you see here. This point is not the only point that was at level 5. This body was also there at level 5, but it kept on once it spiked, it kept on shifting the zone and going up, and this will come off. And I hope you get my point, people. I hope you get my point. You shouldn't only see when the immediately when the market touch when my Ichimoku touch level 85, then I'm expecting the market to come off. There's no way. Everybody could have been a billionaire by now. So if it was like that, it could have been easy. Once it touch, I sell, then I will make a lot of money. But now it's not like that. You will find out that the market will obviously touch level 85, but it will keep on going up. It will touch level 85, like telling us that the market is overbought. But unfortunately, it's not overbought. The zone will be shifted, and then the market will be keep on going up. So that's why I came in with this what is the name of this thing? Market facilitation index. This market facilitation index is very awesome. So let me tell you something. When this body was in the on this level 85, this market facilitation index, this ticks by that time was not touching this level. That's why the market kept on going up in 1 minute time frame. Where do I see that the market will reverse? So when this market facilitation index touches this level and they are close to this Ichimoku, I will still explain, people, if you don't get my point, if you don't understand. So when this market facilitation index touches this level 85 together with this Ichimoku, that is where you're supposed to sell. Yeah, so you see these ones are touching, and then this one is now here, is also touching here. Then you take a sell. You can stay in the market for up to 20-30 minutes. You make your money. Let me show you something again. Let me show you a good example. You see, yeah, this was a good one. You see, the Ichimoku touches and market facilitation index is also there. You see this green tick, they are together in this level. It tells you that the market went completely up and lose momentum, so the market will not continue to the upside. So it will have to make a huge pullback before it continues up. And that is 1 minute time frame. That is the signal I've been giving you. Once I see the market, this one is there, this tick is there, and the this Ichimoku touches, I will tell you to sell, and later I tells you to TP. So this is what the market does. You see, all the way it came off. As you okay, you see, if you see this market facilitation index, if they was touching here while the market is coming from overbought to oversold, I'll still place a sell trade. When I want to go long, I will make my confirmation in 5 minute time frame. So that's why I used to see that the market is gonna go up or down. I'm not Jesus. I just look at the indicators, and you see, as you all can see, the market was going up, but we mustn't consider this one's. This one was a late entry. We have to look at the one that is we have to look at this one that is this one that is close to the Ichimoku. This tick of the market facilitation index is nicely close to the Ichimoku, signaling that the market is gonna make a huge pullback. So if this tick was not there and this market touches this level 85, the market will continuously go up without making a huge pullback. You understand? This is what I mean. So now the market is going to make a pullback. As you see, that was a pullback, a nice one. So these spikes could have not affect you. So you see if the market spike, in most cases, for you to be safe and for you to stay in the market, you have to make your confirmation in 5 minute time frame. You will know where the market is going. If your 5 minute time frame is speaking about the same story, then you will obviously know that, oh, the market will just come off. So now here you just go in and pick 10 to 20 candles, and then you're out of the market. You feel me? So that's how you're supposed to do it. See this huge down movement you could have made. You see those peeps, and finally you see the Ichimoku is off level 85. So let us check another one. You see, like here, this one didn't touch nicely. It's just close to that level 85. It was not really a good signal. In most cases, when it's not touching, the market could have went up, like it went up. This market facilitation index tells you that the market is no more continuing. So yeah, when it pulls, like when it's here, as you can see, the market is currently here. Now let us watch. In most cases, you just have to wait for the market to spike, and then you do your do's. Yeah, as you all can see, if you want to catch spikes, yeah, you wait for the market to spike, and then it spike. So the market facilitation index ticks are right here. They didn't touch level 85, but the market is here at oversold area. So what do we supposed to do? We have to wait until our market facilitation index touches level 85. Nicely touch. Let us wait. Yeah, they all touch. It's two of them giving you power and confirmation that the market will be going up, simply because the facilitation index ticks are touching level 85 and the Ichimoku is on oversold level, which is level 15. Now what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to take a buy. Obviously, if you could have taken a buy right here where the market is, you will be given some pips. You see what the market does. Okay, only small pullbacks, as you see, small pullbacks, and the market will go up. So now here, that's why I'm saying, when you are using this strategy, you shouldn't blindly use the strategy. So it picks up here. The market was oversold. Now when it shift the zone and picks up, and then it went off oversold, continuing to the downside, is simply because of 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame, this Ichimoku is somewhere here at level 85, and this facilitation index ticks are also touching this level. That's why those higher time frame will obviously affect 1 minute time frame. So if you are not being careful, if you're not using this strategy carefully, you are going to lose money. Make sure you're using everything carefully, as I'm telling you to. So that's why you see the market made a huge pullback. So if you're not careful, the market is going to chop you. You're going to donate. But if you're careful on this market, you're going to make a lot of money. This one tells you that the market make it. You see this big spike, they are big ones, nicely big. Now they are no more having power. What tells you that they are not having power is this tick, market facilitation index, and this one is close to overbought, so the market came off. That is how I basically do. It's easy, as you can see here. Like I've told you, all this zone, all this whatever, this Ichimoku that you're seeing here was already at overbought, at this 85 level. A lot of people, when they are to teach people, they will tell you, okay, this Ichimoku of yours, once you see it, level 85, you take a sell. Once you see it, level 15, you take a buy. It's not what it is. You will find this Ichimoku in level 85. If you take a sell or a buy, my brother or my sister, you're going to see yourself in red color. So obviously, whenever this Ichimoku touches this level, and these our ticks are also touching the same level, and it's here, when this tick, say for instance this tick was here, the market will not, it won't give us much confidence that we are going to sell. But now is completely closed. This tick was for this spike, and it tells us that obviously the market will come off. That's why we are going to eat these pips. If you are clever enough, you will go in with a nice lot size, and then you don't have to wait for long. You are out of the market and wait for another signal. You see what it does. Oh, just look at that. Excuse me. It was because of this. You see, nicely pull off. Yeah, this is how people kill the market. It's easy. It's easy. Even with a $10 account, stay for instance, I see this signal. How much is this going to give me? It can give me up to $10 to $15 somewhere here. Double the account with a single signal. Only if you are careful. You see, this big move was made simply because 5-minute time frame was also telling us the same story. Only if I click, I will go to the beginning, but you could have seen. If 5-minute time frame is telling you the same story, and you click other time frame are also telling you, you are good to go for long. So that's how they trade the market. So as you see here, as you can see, the Ichimoku is right at this level, 15. It's just the same story, and these sticks are touching this level of ours, telling us the market have lost momentum to the downside. Now it have all came all the way from up going down. Now it have to pick up again. So that's why you see the market is picking up. The market, once you see it's touching that level and those sticks are touching, you enter a buy. But for you to have more confidence or whatsoever, you have to make your confirmation with 5-minute time frame, because it reverses. I know the market will reverse, but it will later go up, just like that. Okay, you see the market didn't go up, but my expectation is I'm seeing 1-minute time frame, all these ticks. If I decover saw this, the market is oversold, I will obviously just think that the market will go up. But because I can't see 5-minute time frame, the market turns against me. So this is now I think the market is coming to make a W. Now is coming to make a W. Oh, it did make a W. So you must be careful when you are going to trade using this. Be careful. Use your 5-minute time frame. So let us go to, yeah, with a crash is just the vice versa of this one. As you see, as I told you, the tick and then off. Yeah, this one without a tick, you don't really have to end just those signals. This one with a tick off, you end this one with a tick, you end the market goes off. Yeah, just like that. That one with a tick, you end it, consolidate against you, and it goes off. Yeah, just like that and like that. Yeah, so you just have to go for the ones with a close tick. As you can see, you end you get those peeps just like that. You see, where you see that tick is where you will see this nice coming off. You see that close, nicely close, the market will just pick off. Yeah, with a crash, this is just the vice versa of this one. You see pullback. Yeah, like now, as I told you, this is a signal. I told you at the beginning of that video, if you see something like this in 1 minute time frame, expect this market to come somewhere here. And simply because, this 1 minute time frame is selling, it has to sell simply because these ticks are together with the Ichimoku. I know it's an uptrend, but we are trading all those pullbacks, scalping, growing our accounts. So let me click my 5 minute time frame and see. As you see, the 5 minute time frame, the market will be going up. It will be going up. So here the market is coming from oversold, and you see all those ticks are touching, they are pulling the market upwards. So let me click my other time frame. So those trades are long term trade. So yeah, don't use it until at an hour time frame. It will affect your trade. You won't really gonna know where the market is going to go, but you will find some signals that very wonderful. As you see, this one was kind of cool, but it didn't completely touch. It was a good signal in 1 hour time frame. You will find signals that are really cool. Let me show you an example of a good signal, but I don't advise you to use 1 hour time frame because yeah, this is how you're going to use the strategy. If you could have ended here a sell, the spike could have the sell was supposed to be there at the top. You could have been in profit still. It will still pull off, and then later it will break that to the upside. So this is how I read the market. Let me look for the signal. As you see, I don't trade nonsense. Oh, this ones. I know this step index will obviously come off. Let me quickly check. But I don't use this strategy for volatility. That was a different strategy that I placed. This trade was placed on a different strategy. So this strategy is mainly just for boom and crash. For boom and crash. It's not for nonsense. Okay, why did I place this sell trade? Let me show you something. Simply because of here. Where did I see that opportunity? Okay, just like I told you, these things used to move. When I placed previously, when I placed this trade, the market was here. This tick was showing. So, and this Ichimoku was somewhere at this overbought area, and then it came off. It spiked against me. I know the market will obviously go down, and then I go in, it spike again, and then just like that and like that. But see where it was. But I know the market will obviously go down again. So how do I know that? Let me see my 5 minute time frame. As you see in my 5 minute time frame, look at this. What is this? This is a tick. What is this? This is oversold, like oversold level 80. If this market is to go against me, it will never damage my account. But in most cases, let me click. If you hold for long, let me click this. Okay, you see this tick is very, very far. So the market have got a nice potential of shooting up. Once the market give me a big spike here, this Ichimoku will be shifted off that level 85. It will come off and be right here, and this point will be pointing there. This is how the market usually do. Don't think that when it's like this, the market will just nicely come off and then you blindly trade the market. You go in with a low size simply because the cafe told you that the market will come. No, I know what I'm doing. So in most cases, once you see that you are in profit for spikes, if I'm to lock in my profit right here, let me say for instance I lock in my profit right here. If this spike catches you, it will trail that profit, trail it until where the spike stop, then it will take that whole cash. For spike you cannot really lock in your profit. If you lock it in, it will just spike and stop where the spike ends. It's where it will take off that cash. So but with the candles, if you put a stop loss, if you're trading candles, let me say you're trading against spike, it will be possible to put your stop loss. The stop loss is just to prevent the account not to be blown out. Say for instance, if many spike catches you, yeah, they will prevent your account. So yeah, people, I guess everything is clear. And with a crash, it's just the vice versa, man. It's just the vice versa. What's your problem? Yeah, you do it the vice versa. You catch spike, you trade against spike, you do whatever. These are spikes, ne? You wait for the first spike, another one. As you can see, all these market facilitation index ticks, they came where the Ichimoku is and is in oversold. That's why you receive all this spike. You receive these ones and a pullback and those other spikes. You see, this is how I trade it. This is how I trade it. And if it touch, let me see a good one. If it touches yeah, this is how I trade spikes. Yeah, if you saw this one, okay, this was a good signal. You see this one with that, this stick with that Ichimoku, you're gonna receive a small pullback and then boom, you're in a nice profit. And then here you see this one is oversold, but the ticks are not touching. You shouldn't end. You shouldn't end. Even the market is pulling up, you shouldn't end. So you will only end when you see it touching. You see, shifting of the zones. Why am I supposed not to end here? Because these ticks are not touching. They are not touching to pull the market up. So boom, you see the zones are being shifted. This one was oversold, and then now it becomes there, you see it in the middle. Now here, as you can see, this tick touch, let us see whether the zone will be shifted just a little bit. The market went up, no shifted zone. The zone is still the Ichimoku is still sitting on that oversold zone. It was not shifted simply because of this tick. Hold the Ichimoku to be on that zone. So yeah, those are the basics. Yeah, this one will hold the Ichimoku to be on that zone. Yeah, this one is holding also the Ichimoku to be. It's easy, just go taste it out, and then if you don't understand, you ask me questions, I will tell you. So those are just the basics. The strategy is super cool. You see, I have taken this trade of as I told you, why am I just pulling to profit? So you should know, we are not trading nonsense here, you know. Obviously Jelekhan did dun man. Smaklik. So this is very easy. Obviously it's very easy. You see this, you could have lost your money here, ne? If you are just concentrating on 1 minute. As I told you, the market is gonna make a pullback here, and it will break that previous support level, I mean resistance level. So this Ichimoku, as I told you, this Ichimoku was here. It was at this level 85. This point here, it was at level 85. But because of this I think 3 spikes or 2 spikes here, when they happen, this thing was shifted off, it came off. That's why I'm telling you, not Don't only see this Ichimoku on level 85 and see that the market is oversold and or overbought and then you sell. This thing will help you, and it will help you making use of 5 minute time frame. You see, 5 minute time frame is not there. It's not at that level. If 5 minute time frame, okay, say for instance this trade was touching, okay, it was obviously touching this level 85, but 5 minute time frame is oversold at level 15. High time frame are always powerful than lower time frame. So that's why I saw that opportunity that the market will be going up. This is how I do it. If I say for instance, if I was giving signals, I will obviously not tell you to sell. It's risky. Why? Simply because 5 minutes is oversold and 1 minute was overbought. So it will obviously again is going to make a pullback to retest this it will retest this level. A pullback, sometimes it will come until at that line, or it can come past that line and then it will go up again. So this is how we trade this thing. As you can see, we don't trade nonsense here. We do I mean, this is we do what is real. Boom, this is boom, boom 500, boom 1000, yeah, and yeah, VIX 25, VIX 50, and step index. I don't think you see red there, so stop it. We don't trade nonsense. We give out a profitable strategies. But people, let me not lie to you. These VIX, whatever, I have taken them with a private strategy. So it's not this one. This one is not working on this thing. So it's not working. This strategy is just for boom and crash. I think you understand and everything is clear. Go test this thing out on a demo and use it as you're supposed to use it. So this is basically how we do things. So there's nothing secret, there's nothing. So people, yeah, this is just how I do it. And I'm that person with that heart. I'm not really a stingy person. Yeah, I'm just me, man. You know me. This is just DK here. So people, there is the strategy. I hope you will enjoy it. Yeah. So this is just DK currently signing out.